Hello students, today we are going to discuss practical number 5, SOP 5. Okay, title of that practical is use of audio on web pages using HTML5. Okay, create a web page named audio.html to set an audio file in a web page with controls such that it uses HTML5 elements. The audio file must play as soon as the web page loads in browser, and it will start over again every time when it is completed. Okay, so let me create audio.html file. Simply uh, open notepad application. Okay, and inside that application we need to enter tag behavior, doc type, yes, doc type HTML, sorry, then next HTML tag, head tag. Okay, title you can use in same line, uh, title name like it's a first. Okay, so directly you can use first page or first audio page. Okay, so here first page, because it require two files, title, then head tag close, next body tag open. After that we need to add particular statement. Okay, for example h1, and simply enter enter like audio file. Okay, this is audio file page without without autoplay. Okay, without autoplay, close h1 1. Okay, then next just type tag. Okay, audio, then controls. Okay, and LOOP, loop. If I want to run particular audio file infinite times, then we use -1. And if you want to play particular number of time, for example 2 times, then simply put loop is equal to 2. If you want to play 5 number of times, then just enter a loop is equal to 5. Okay, in this way you can write number of iteration. Now in audio there is one subtag source. Okay, source src is equal to file name. Now let me check which file is there. See, we need one audio track. Okay, this audio track name music extension dot mp3. So music dot mp3, see here is the extension, okay, of file, and this is the file name. So just enter music dot mp3, then type is equal to um, audio, right, audio slash mpeg, right, then close audio tag. Okay, then body tag close HTML. Okay, so just save this file into destination folder. Okay, select proper folder to save your file, right? So in this way you can create, this name is audio.html. Okay, here we go. Let me off my sound. Okay, and because there is a copyright issue when we play particular music. Okay, so just double click on audio track. Highly recommend to use Firefox. If I execute on Firefox, then see what happened. Let me check. Yes, when you click on that, okay, see this is executing. Okay, see here playhead is going, right? You can able to increase or decrease your volume, right? So this is about audio 1. Okay, sorry, first file. And now another file. Simply copy this code, click Ctrl plus N or select new. Okay, and paste. Okay, right, second page. Okay, now just type with out of this is audio file with file page with autoplay. Okay, so simply put autoplay, AUTOPLAY, right? Simple, same file music.mp3. Now which are recommendations? Create another web page named audio1.html which provides multiple source file formats for the same audio file that plays a sound automatically with controls. So that's why we going to use autoplay. Okay, the browser should display the message with appropriate attribute when audio file is not supported by browser. The code must incorporate the list of sound file formats. Okay, so we need to add different sources, and also we required to add autoplay type of attribute. Okay, so this file is ready, music.mp3. Now simply copy it, paste it, and change another type, OGG file format, OGG. Okay, because they want file formats like WAV, MP3 or OGG, etc. Okay, so simply put these two files and enter. Your browser does not support the audio element, and simply put such type of message within opening and closing audio tag, and save this file using audio1.html. Okay, and save this file into same location, execute the same, simply click on Firefox. Okay, here we go. So in this way you can able to execute your audio file. Okay, so this is about our 5th number practical. Hope you understand how to execute this type of files, audio files. Okay.